Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the YouTube video and focusing on the player controls so you can act immediately. You tap or hover to reveal the CC icon and the gear. These are your entry points for captions because they toggle and configure subtitle tracks. Once visible, click CC to enable captions. If you don't see CC, open Settings to check Subtitles/CC options. This first step gets captions active, so you can read and verify whether automatic or uploaded subtitles are available. Once captions are enabled, you should choose the right track and tweak how they appear so reading keeps pace with the audio. You open Settings, then Subtitles/CC to pick between auto-generated captions or the creator's uploaded track. Choose the uploaded one for higher accuracy when available. Next, use Auto-Translate if you need another language, and adjust font size, background, and opacity to reduce distraction. These configuration steps improve comprehension and help captions match the speaker's timing and your reading. To finish, you can download or refine captions if you own the video, or take quick troubleshooting steps if captions fail. In YouTube Studio, you can edit or upload a SRT file so timing and wording are accurate. This matters when automatic captions garble terminology. If captions don't show, refresh, clear cache, or switch browsers, and make sure app permissions aren't blocking overlays. If all else fails, request captions from the creator or use the transcript from the three-dot menu for a text fallback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.